Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Ooh. I'm going to be doing a review on this waxing kit from Amazon, and I'm going to be doing a demo too as well. So I'm going to be trying it and using it on my eyebrows because as you can see they're like growing out, and I just want to try it and give it a try. Hopefully this waxing kit does not hurt because it did claim that it's better than the other wax, because it doesn't hurt. This one is the waxing beads, and there's two different kinds. There's waxing beads and then there's the other wax that you just, this one is the different one. So we're gonna be trying this out on camera right now. I'm actually really nervous right now, so yeah, let's get started. All right, don't mind this is my backdrop. So when you get the box, this is what it comes with. It comes with 20 application sticks and 3 different kind of beads with different kind of scents. One is rose, one is lavender, and one is, I don't know. But I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I kind of tried it last night when I had got it because I wanted to see like how to use it. I wanted to get the hang of it before I showed you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna open it and show you how the box looks and all that stuff. It comes wrapped. I fixed it up and stuff, so it could look like how it came in the box. And oh, it melted. It froze. So this is the 20-piece sticks. But this is the one I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be reusing the stick. Hopefully I can do that. But I'm gonna just use this side so I won't have to waste any sticks. I hope that didn't sound wrong. Then it came with this bead. I'm gonna show you up close so you guys can get a visual of how everything looks. Lavender beads, and then oh, that's the other one. This is blue and it's Camille, Chamomile. I don't know how to read, y'all, but you get the picture. And this is the rose one. I used this one last night because it was pretty. It's pink and stuff. Blue's my favorite color, but this one actually looked. But yeah, this is how that looks. Oh, and this is how the waxing machine looks. Guys, I'm gonna just tell you off rip, if you're gonna buy a waxing kit, buy it off Amazon. Do not buy it from any beauty supply stores because they're really expensive. I remember like a few weeks ago I went to go buy a waxing kit to do my own eyebrows because I hated how Ling Ling did my eyebrows. So I went to go buy it and it was like $60, and guys, I spent $25 on this with free shipping because of Prime. But yeah, this is the inside. As you can see, I already started with the pink last night. Alright, I just want to let you guys know something. The waxing wire isn't a long wire. Right now it's connected to my outlet and it's overheating right now. Well, not overheating, but it's heating up, and I'm actually waiting on it right now. I can't like bring the wax and show you, but I'm gonna obviously show you how I'm gonna do it on myself. I actually don't have any product under my arms, and I'm dying to put deodorant on right now because okay, so what you want to do is grab alcohol peroxide, doesn't matter. You wanna, since I'm doing my eyebrows, I'm actually gonna use tissue and kind of wipe over where I'm gonna do it at, because you want it completely dry when you're waxing. You don't want any oils on your face. My skin is currently on the combination side right now. I'm actually a little bit oily, especially in my T-zone and stuff, so of course I want to clean out the excess oil using alcohol or peroxide. Okay, make sure you also have a mirror too so that you can see what you're doing up close, because you're doing your eyebrows, girls. You don't want to mess it up, okay? Make sure you do not get it on your eyelids, y'all. With this brow, because it's going to be more easier to do. So I'm going to get really close. What you want to do is just brush up your hairs all the way up. You want to pick up this much, this little pea-sized amount. I can't even see that shit. And then blow on it. Yo, that sounds so wrong. Okay, blow it and then to make sure it cools down because it is going to be hot, and then apply it to your brows. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that sucks. That's wait, hold on, that sucks so bad. Why did it just do that? Why? Ew, what the why did it just do that? Oh, that didn't hurt. Oh, that didn't hurt. Wait, I mean, I didn't get anything, so I didn't expect it to hurt, but what the fuck? This shit is being so trash right now. Let me put it around my face so I can see how hot it is. It's probably gonna be real hot as fuck, but fuck it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Like, what the actual fuck? Okay, that one was kind of nice. Don't put it too close to your brows. I didn't put it too close, but I put it close enough. Alright, now I'm gonna try to... That didn't hurt! But it did wax off my hair, y'all! Oh, I can't do shit with this damn light. You see the hairs? Oh my god. Oh my god. Is it dry? I'm about to rip. I'm about to... Breathe, girl, breathe. Alright, ready? Ready? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ready? I hate when it do that. That's one thing I hate about it. It breaks apart. That's alright. See, I think you're if you want to save money, use this, but you're probably gonna be better off using the other wax. This bead wax stuff doesn't fully pull off all the hair to its potential, and applying it is really like a difficult process, if you ask me. You see that? Like, that's really annoying. Is that off now? Little bits of hair came off. Nothing major. It's not, yeah, you can't really see it on this one. I think you might be able to see the ones on this one. Yeah. Yeah, it isn't, I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm missing something. It's not pulling all the hair off. It's pulling like majority of the hair, but it's not pulling everything off. Oh my god, you can see my skin. I must be real dirty. Ah! What the fuck? It just ripped off half of it, but I'm gonna finish up my eyebrows and then I'm gonna come back to do my armpits. My eyebrows, don't they look so nice? For my first try. This is my first try and they look so good. Look at that. Perfect. They came out perfect, y'all. Perfect. Now we're about to wax these bad boys. I'm so scared. Always if you need your mirror to see, but you can't, your eyes can't go. Ooh. you can just use your mirror, place it like that, look at your mirror, and then swipe. So what you want to do is do it in the direction the hair is going. There we go, that should be good. Okay, so the wax is kind of dried, and I'm about to do my underarms right now, so bear with me. The wax is completely hot actually too at that. So I'm gonna take my spoolie. Fuck, that shit hot. Hot. My armpits are not fully covered. I'm gonna make the bottom thick a little more so that when I can have something to pull on. Alright, so I'm gonna pull it off if it's dry. And then this is gonna be it because my camera's dying, so I'm gonna just end it here. Oh my god, I'm so dying. Because this shit hurts. If you don't laugh at my reaction, please. Thanks. Oh fuck! Alright, that hurts. Ah fuck! Ah shit! That fucking hurt. Okay. Don't wax your armpits. This shit hurts. I wonder if vagina feels like this. This shit hurt. My little sister in here and telling her to rip it off. Becky! So I got my sister here, right? And she's gonna rip it off. But make sure when you rip it upwards and pull it fast. Don't zit and stutter. Just do it. Oh my god, I'm about to cry. Wait. Okay, I'm ready.
That's me. Okay, I'm so sorry.
Wait.
I feel bad for you.
Oh my god, what's do you see all the hair already? Like, oh my goodness.
Destiny, you said when you ordered it, it didn't hurt.
It's supposed to not hurt. Ow.
Oh my god, I'm gonna feel bad for you.
Alright, hurry up.
Destiny. Do it fast.
Yeah. I stuttered. Oh my god.
Okay, one thing fell out. Like,
you have to pull it upwards.
oh my god.
Hurry up, my camera's dying.
Okay, I'm gonna pull it. Oh, come on. Oh, this
Let me
hair.
see.
This hair.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. This is a lot of hair. Hold on. Okay. This shit hurt. How is it not focusing? Oh, my battery's dying. That's why it's not focusing. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Alright, if you like this video, if you like the review, like, comment, whatever. I'm gonna leave that link and everything in the description. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I love you guys.